In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use GetResponse effectively. Whether you're just starting out or looking to enhance your email marketing strategy, this guide will walk you through the essential steps you need. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to set up your GetResponse account. To begin, visit the GetResponse homepage and sign up. The process is straightforward. Simply provide your details and make sure to enter a valid email address. Once your account is created, you'll receive an email with a verification link. It's crucial to click on this link to verify your email address, as this step ensures you receive important communications from GetResponse and can fully access all its features. After verifying your email, take a moment to complete your profile and provide your business information. This step is not just a formality. It helps tailor your experience and optimizes how the platform's tools are presented to you, making your future efforts more effective. Now, let's move on to creating an email list, a fundamental step in email marketing. Start by navigating to the Contacts menu. This section is where you'll manage all your subscribers. Within Contacts, look for the option to create a list. This is your opportunity to give your list a unique, memorable name that reflects its purpose or audience. A clear and distinct name will help you stay organized, especially as your lists grow over time. Once you've settled on a name, proceed to save your new list. A well-structured list is the backbone of efficient email marketing, allowing you to target the right audience with relevant content. Next, it's time to add contacts to your freshly created list. To do this, you'll first need to create a newsletter. Head over to the email marketing section where you can craft emails from scratch or use a variety of templates. Take advantage of GetResponse's template gallery. They're designed to captivate and engage your subscribers. Personalize your emails by adding your business's unique touch and ensure your content aligns with the interests of your audience. When you're ready, you can add subscribers to this list manually, if it's a smaller number, or import them from your database if you're dealing with a larger group. GetResponse offers several ways to upload contacts, making it convenient and efficient depending on your needs. By now, you should have a basic yet solid understanding of setting up GetResponse and initiating your email marketing journey. Remember, each step is pivotal to your success. From verifying your email and setting up your profile to creating beautifully tailored newsletters, each action you take builds the foundation of a strong marketing strategy. Moving forward, you'll be more than ready to explore more advanced features the platform offers, such as automation and segmentation, to further enhance your campaigns. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.